guys, tara mag-beach tayo saglit dahil pinag-late checkout nila ako until 1 PM. So, we have a little time after breakfast. Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. Mark Glenn here and we are still here in Boracay. It's our 7th day na, so 1 week na tayong lumalaban dito. And ayun, medyo gloomy yung weather today pero medyo lumalabas-labas din naman yung araw. We are back at U Hotels and Resorts, Boracay. I have also stayed here from July 20th to 20th, June 20th to 23rd. Ito, past couple of weeks ago lang. And I am back here. Okay naman yung stay ko dito as always and hopefully nothing goes wrong pa rin. And tara, mag-quick room tour muna tayo. So ayan guys, I booked a double room and twin beds siya pero malaki parehas yung bed. Ayan. And ayun, may power outlet doon, merong phone. And meron tayong workstation dito which is perfect dahil may work tayo later. And ayan, may TV dyan guys. Dyan ko pinalagay yung luggage ko. And we have a water kettle here, coffee amenities. And they have water as well. May cups din. Excuse me. And merong faucet dito guys. And ayan, may mga basic toiletries. Ito yung bathroom. Meron dong shower gel and shampoo. And conditioner pala. And ayan, toilet, nakahiwalay siya. Tapos may bidet tayo dyan. Safety deposit box is here. And ayan, may hair dryer tayo. And merong mini fridge guys. We have a few mini bar items. And ito yung prices nila. Na syempre hindi natin i-avail dahil may katapat tayong 7-Eleven. And yung keycard nila guys, ganito, parang baller type. Ayan. And medyo challenging lang siya ilagay dun sa key. Sa power, basta yung power supply. Kasi ayan, parang si kuya lang na nag-assist sa akin yung naglagay that way. Kasi nahuhulog siya. So ayun guys, the room is pretty okay naman. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung loft type room na binigay sa akin sa Fera Premier, di ba? So, ayun, thank you so much ulit to all the staff. Sobrang bait ng mga tao talaga doon. Parang very personal yung service nila. Thank you so much to Abby, Belle, and the team. And ayun, sobrang na-enjoy ko yung stay ko doon. So, feeling ko the next time I go back to Boracay, doon na lang ulit ako mag-stay kasi iba talaga guys, pang 5-star talaga yung feels ng service nila. Very warm and friendly ng mga tao. And dito nga pala sa U Hotel guys, parang saktong 3 PM talaga yung check-in ko. So ayun, ayan tumatawag na yung front desk. Bakit kaya? Hello? Good afternoon. Hello Rika. All good naman ako. Yeah. Alright, thanks Rika. Bye. Ayun guys, nag-check lang sila ng satisfaction kung okay ba tayo sa room. Siguro issue ko lang, parang ang hina ng signal ng Globe. And yung wifi, parang medyo okay naman. Sana later okay siya kapag nag-open ako ng work equipment, work PC ko. So ayun, check natin. And ayun, I will see you later guys. Guys, ang gloomy talaga ng weather today. Tinatamad ako mag-work from cafe. Ayun o, tignan nyo. Yung view natin is yung main road ng Boracay. Ayun. So, ayun. Baka dito na lang tayo mag-work sa room. So, ayun guys. Tinatamad na ako lumabas. Dito na lang tayo mag-work sa room. Gusto ko sana maghanap ng cafe. Kaso, ayun. Ang gloomy talaga ng weather. Parang tinatamad na ako na maglakad. Kasi maputik yung roads and yung mga street. Talagang may ibang part na medyo may... Hindi naman baha, pero yung mababasa rin yung paa nyo. Ganon. So, ayoko mabasa. And mag-take out na lang tayo ng dinner and ng coffee. So guys, ayun, wait lang, ang gulo ng hair ko. Nakapag-take out lang tayo ng dinner sa Noni's and in-order ko yung dati kong na-try na vegetarian kare-kare nila. It's called Tempe. Para siyang soybean na tofu shape, parang ganun yung pagkakaalala ko. Pero hindi ko sure, check natin later. Basta nasarapan ako sa kanya. And then, nakabili pa tayo ng souvenir sa dun sa kahabaan sa may Sunset Road malapit sa Aloha Hotel. Yung mga ate dun, pwede kayong tumawad sa kanila. Nakakuha ko ng parang tote bag na 280 daw, tapos naging 200 each na lang. O, diba? Ayun lang naman. And tara, kumain na tayo. Lakas ng ulan guys, pero unbox is life. Charot. Good morning guys, it's our last full day here in Boracay and medyo may araw so nakakatawa. Sana ganito lang the whole day para makapag last sunset pa tayo before we leave tomorrow. And tara mag-breakfast na tayo because it's past 9:30 AM na and baka mapagsarahan tayo ng breakfast buffet. Let's go! Tara, samahan niyo ako. Sorry, may candy ako sa video.